Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss Class 12 Mathematics Chapter number 3 Matrices. Previous class we see addition of matrix. You know that if you want to algebraic solution, if you have like that number, how you can add this? So it's simply you say ma'am, x will add with x and y will add with y. That's why we always did this x plus 2x and y plus 3y. That means we add y with y and x with x. Then we get 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y is solution of this question. You know that. Okay. So here we will discuss about matrix. We will discuss about matrix. In matrix, you see, matrix we represent with rectangular array. Rectangular array. You see here I write A11, A12, A13. What is the meaning of A11, A12, A13? If you study earlier video, then you understand what is this. But if you start today onwards, you see this is the meaning of row and this for column. This for row, this for column. You see here, this is our first row. It is our first row. That is why here, always we write only one. But column is changed. First column, second column, third column. So we write here 1, 2, 3. Same thing. It is our row number second. Row number second. It is our row, na? It is our row number second. But it is our first column, second column and third column. So we will add matrix according to row and column. You see here, it is very simple to plus now. I hope you understand how we will solve it. You see, it is our first row and first column for matrix A and it is our first row and first column for matrix B. And now we are add A and B. So, here you see I write A11 because of this plus, I plus this and here I write B11. So it is solved. Now we move our second topic, second matrix position 1, 2. It is also first row, second column. So we add both number and we write here A12 plus B12. Okay. Now we move for third. So here and here we write A13 plus B13. Understand? Okay. Any doubt? If you have doubt, please ask. Now you see A21 plus B21. Okay. It is our second position. A22 plus B22. And third for A23 plus B23. You see, in matrix, here, how many row? 2 row. So, order we write here 2 cross column. How many column? 1, 2, 3. So, here I write 3. That means matrix A have 2 by 3 order. Same thing for B. 1 and 2 rows. So here I write 2 and here 1, 2, 3 column. So it will come 3 column. Now matrix permit A plus B in same order. That means if we plus both equal order, we will get same new order. You see, it is our first, second, third. First row, second row, first column, second column and third column. So it is also 2 by 3. So please note that if A is 2 by 3 matrix order and B also have 2 by 3, the resultant A plus B also give same order. Same order. Okay. So it is for rule for matrix. Now we move and solve next example. Okay. So our next example says if A is equal, suppose 1, 2, 3 and B is equal 4, 5, 6. Pause the video and try to solve. Now you see, take time, but you solve. We will find A plus B. What is the meaning of A plus B? A plus B said 1 plus 4. Here came 2 plus 5 and third came 3 plus 6. So it will come 5, 7, 9. It's your answer. So like that we solve addition of matrix. Now I like to give some other question you will solve. Okay. Okay, now you solve question number first and second. Pause the video. Your time start now. Okay, I hope you solve question. Here you see, here matrix order is 1, 2, 3. That means 2 multiply 3, 2 multiply 3. So you will get your answer also in the order of 2 by 3. B plus 0 plus 1. So we will get 1. Here 3 plus 2. So we will get 5. 7 plus 3 that means 10. And 2 plus 1 that means 3, 4 plus 7 that means 7 and 7 plus 8 that means 7 plus 1 8 that means 8. So I hope you find your answer 1, 5, 10, 3, 7, 1. And for this you see order is 1, 2, 2. That means it is our square matrix. Square matrix elements are row and column elements are equal. So here you see we plus for A plus B we do 6 plus 2. That means here I write 6 plus 2, 7 plus 3. Here 1 plus 9 and 5 plus 8. So our answer will A plus B is equal 8, 10, 10, 30. It is your answer. So like that you solve very easily. Okay, now I like to give next question to you. Now subtraction of matrix. For subtraction of matrix you see here A is equal 2 minus 4, 4, 1, 5, 2. It is our 2 by 3 matrix and B is equal 1, 3 minus 7, 4, 0, 3. That is why this is also 2 by 3 matrix. This is also 2 by 3 matrix. Okay. Now you see question want to know A minus B. Question asks A minus B. For A minus B you do one thing. You write simply first 1, 5, 2, then you put minus because question asks minus, and you write 1, 3, minus 7, 4, 0 and 3. You see here, if we If we take minus from every element, it will become minus 1, minus 3, plus 7, minus 4, 0 and minus 3, and it will become plus. We convert this minus into plus, so we put minus here. That means every matrix element sign will change. Okay, so that is why 7 becomes plus positive and rest is minus. Now very easy to solve to you. So you pause the video and again you try first. After then you will see the video. It is a very interesting question. Okay, now you see 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 3 4 plus 7. Okay, and same way we will do 1 minus 4 5 plus 0 plus minus 3 here 2 minus 3. So it will become 1 minus 7 11 minus 3 5 minus 1. It is your answer. So if you learn how we plus, after then you will easily find how you will minus. So now we move our next topic is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication, you see, if question gave as matrix and they want to multiply number. You see here question want to ask 2b. What is the meaning of 2b? That means we multiply 2 with b. Okay. If we multiply any number, we will get new matrix. You see here, we multiply 2 with 6, 2 with 8, 2 with minus 7, 2 with 9, 2 with minus 10, 2 multiply 3. So it will come it is your answer. It is your answer. We say this is our 2b matrix. Okay, now again one more question. 5a. I think you will try this question. 5 into 2 minus 3, 4, 1 minus 5 and 2. Pause the video and try to solve this question. After then you will see you will learn or not. I hope you try. So you see here 5a is equal 5 to the 10, 15, 20, 25 and 5 to the 10. So it is your answer. 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 5 to the 20, 5 1s are 5 5s are 5 2s are. Okay, like that question you solve. Now we come and solve more example. Okay, now this concept also very important. If question says equality of matrix, what is the meaning of equality? So you see here question says A is equal B. A is equal B, that means 1 is equal 1. That means first row and first column position element and first row and first column position of second matrix is equal. Here we write 1 into 1 is equal x. Same way 2 is equal come with 5. 3 will come is equal w and 4 is equal z. So it is here answer. So like that also we will solve, but A is equal B, that means element is equal. Both same place. See this question. Question says if this matrix is equal this matrix. Please understand this sign. It says equal. That means x minus y is equal minus 1. In same way, z is equal 4. So the answer is z is equal 4 directly. And 2x minus y is equal 0. And last, w is equal 5. This is also answer. Question want to know. Last, 2 left only. So you see, y. If we minus, it will come plus, here minus. So they will cancel. 2 minus x, that means minus x. That means minus x. Okay, now you see is equal minus 1. If minus 1 minus 0, it will come minus 1. Okay. So x is equal 1. Now you put the value of x minus y is equal minus 1. That means minus 1 is equal. So y is equal 1 plus x. That is why we say y is equal 1 plus 1. So y is equal 2. Answer. Y is equal 2. Answer. So this also answer and this also answer. So like that question will ask. So you try to solve exercise 3.2. If you have any doubt, any query, please ask me. I explain 1-2 more examples. After then, you will solve all exercise. You see, very interesting question. Here, question want to find, you find that 3a minus b plus 5c. So first, you find 3a, first step. Second, you find 5c. 5c. b is same. After then, you solve 3a minus b. I think you solve. Okay. After coming result, you solve with 5c. Then you will get answer. So you try to first solve. Now you see what you solve and what is your answer. Okay. So like that we will solve. If you want to do directly you see. Otherwise you do one step like that. Otherwise you have one more option. Here I find first 3a. That is why we multiply each aspect with 3. 5c, so we multiply with 5. Or if you want to do another type, so you will do one thing. You will write first 3a minus b plus 5c. So here you multiply 3 into minus 1, 2 minus 1, 0 minus 3 minus 1, 1, 4, 0. It is also 2. It will become this. And here you see minus 1, 5, 2, 4, 6. 3, 5, 7. Okay. And here plus 5, 1, 2, 1, 0, 3, 5, 1, 1, 0. So like that you solve and you will get answer. So thank you student, and you try to solve exercise 3.2.